Good morning, and we are in Hollywood Studios, and today we're going to try and get some stuff done in Toy Story Land, but we'll see how long the queues are first. That's the Skyliner station just over there. They were testing them all a minute ago, but they've stopped for some reason. So we're in Hollywood Studios, and Hollywood Studios are celebrating their 30th anniversary this year. And there's the Chinese Theatre, the new symbol for Hollywood Studios. So here's Municiberg that replaced Pixar Place. And there you can meet Edna Mode. And there it is, the entrance to Toy Story Land. It's the first time I've ever seen it. So the line for Slinky Dog is all the way back past the entrance. So we're going to see if we can get on Toy Story Mania, because that's much shorter wait, it's only 40 minutes. But I like the overall atmosphere. So here's the new entrance for Toy Story Mania. The wait time is 40 minutes, so it's not that bad. So let's go take a ride.
Who likes the part where you toss the rings on the little green men?
So we're just walking down the stairs on the ride down there. Probably won't get much footage of the ride, I'll be too busy. We've got Woody! My final score was 179,600 and only an accuracy of 35%. Not the best I've ever done, but it was certainly good. Best vehicle? Yes, it was me! Woo! I got the best of my vehicle. It's a new thing. Once you finish Toy Story Mania, you can go to a new Toy Story shop. You can get this I Played at Walt Disney World shirt for $34.99. You can get this Toy Story Land shirt for $24.99. You can get this Toy Story Land cap for, hold on, $21.99. This is the exit through Toy Story Mania. It does actually make you feel like you're toy-sized. And they use like these really big plants to make you feel like you're small. Yeah, really good. We're gonna take a ride on Slinky Dog Dash. It's an 80-minute wait, but we're gonna get a baby swap as well, so it'll be alright. Bo Peep and Woody are out together by Toy Story Mania. So we're at the front of the line, waiting to go into the other standby line, and the wait is still 80 minutes. So, yeah. So for all the buildings around, they're using like game boxes as buildings, and it really does make you feel like you're really small and in some sort of small world, which is good. We were saying this is a bad queue to be in because it's a very long queue and you're outside, but there are fans, people which are alright, but we were just saying it's quite harsh, especially when you got 30-degree weather. It's quite bad. It says manufactured in Emeryville, California, and that's where the Pixar studios are. There it goes. So they say the number of pieces of track, and that is actually how many pieces of track there are in the actual ride themselves. So yeah, quite interesting. Here comes our Slinky Dog. So I did Slinky Dog the first time, but because I got a little baby brother, we're going on it for a second time with a baby swap. I won't record it again, I'll just be doing this ride for the fun and experiencing it without a camera. So I finished riding for the second time, and now it's getting really hot, so we're heading back to the car and we're going to head home. So it feels a bit short, this vlog, but yeah, it's getting really hot and there's supposed to be thunderstorms happening later. So we want to get back to the apartment before that all happens. So we're heading back to the car now. I think we got on the ride just at the right time because the queue now for it is 115 minutes long. And it was only 80 when we queued, so that 10:30 AM was the right time to queue for it. So they're still doing the Star Wars show on that stage there, but they have stopped doing the March of the First Order, where all the stormtroopers and plasma walk down all of the streets in Hollywood Studios. That's the new Hollywood Studios logo. Here's Crossroads of the World. Mickey Mouse on the top. Mickey Mouse actually helps prevent lightning strikes at Hollywood Studios. Just walking back to the car and the Skyliners are moving. Still doing some testing on them. Some more footage of the Skyliners moving. So we're just on our way to Panda Express to get some dinner. But before we go to Panda Express, we're going to nip into Krispy Kreme. So you can see the whole process of them making donuts. And they come up here, and go down here into this fryer, and then they go across here, all the way across, and then through icing there, and all the way around. And that's where they get decorated over there. You can see some being made over there. So you get all these different flavours of donuts. What do you want? So we're all done in Krispy Kreme, and now we're going over to Panda Express to get a Chinese. We're in Panda Express, but look how stormy it looks. I reckon while we're in there, the storm's going to be over us, so not very excited. This is all the food you can get at Panda Express. There's a lot. So this is my Panda Express. I've got rice, orange chicken, chow mein, and under the rice a spring roll. So that's it, guys. I'm just sat in my chair outside on the balcony. So thank you for watching, and we might not have such a long vlog tomorrow because tomorrow's going to be a lazy day. We're going to have a day off, so we're just going to chill out at the pool, so there won't be much to upload tomorrow. But I hope you enjoyed today's video, so see you soon. Goodbye.